Dance your way to fitness. Fun cardio dance workout. Hey there, dance party people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here, and today we're ditching the traditional workout and embracing a fitness journey full of fun. It's time to dance your way to fitness. Ever feel like the gym is missing a dance floor? Well, today we're turning our workout space into a dance haven. Cardio meets choreography as we groove our way to a healthier, happier you. Get ready to unleash your inner dancer with a series of heart-pumping, smile-inducing dance routines. From sassy salsa steps to hip-shaking Zumba vibes, every move is designed to elevate your heart rate and make you forget you're even working out. Whether you're a dance aficionado or 2 left feet is your signature move, this workout is for you. It's not about perfect steps. It's about embracing the rhythm and having a blast while breaking a sweat. Now, here's the best part. Not only are we burning calories and boosting our fitness, but we're also releasing those feel-good endorphins. It's a fitness party and everyone's invited. I used to dread workouts until I discovered the magic of dance fitness. It transformed my perspective on staying active, and I can't wait to share that joy with you. So, are you ready to dance your way to fitness? Hit that like button if you're excited, subscribe for more dance workouts that feel like a party, and share this video with your dance squad. Thanks for joining the dance fitness revolution on my channel. Until next time, keep dancing, keep smiling, and let's groove our way to a healthier, happier life.